Next, we connect power on the control box of the machine. Pass your wire through the bottom right of the machine. This is 308 volts, has 3 L wire and 1 N wire. According to the label, connect 12 L and N. Turn on your power and let the machine power on. After connecting the power, check the stop button, if can it be pressed and popped up. This is the switch to control spindle and laser. The left means spindle, the right means right. This is the switch to control the power of the machine. It must be turned on before work. DSP handle working.